Well, you might want to call it the calm before the storm. It's quiet right now in the Pittsburgh area, but there is the chance of some severe weather rolling in this afternoon. With more on that, let's check in with meteorologist Ron Smiley. Ron?
Well, Stacey, just like you said, there certainly is a chance as we're heading into the afternoon for severe weather. Now, what are we expecting? Well, we can't rule anything out, really. So we're looking at large hail, strong destructive wind gusts that could be possible as well, along with even a tornado could be possible this afternoon. You can see the area that the Storm Prediction Center has highlighted under that enhanced risk. If you're wondering, what does that mean? Well, if you have 5 levels or 5 ladder levels of severe weather, this will be the 3rd highest. It's right in the middle. Generally, that means that you do have an enhanced also tornado risk on top of both the hail and the straight wind risks that you're looking at, and that's certainly going to be the case today. Other areas are under that slight risk, so a slightly smaller chance for a tornado there, but we're really going to be looking at widespread chance for some strong gusty winds and also hail that will be possible. Now, we're already starting to see some rain showers developing right along that boundary. This is where we're going to be watching for, right along I-80 just to the north of there. That's where our activity should start, and then this should start to slide down to the south as a front or a barrier slides to the south. As that happens, our severe weather will come in from there. So at least right now, just a couple of spotty showers that are being shown up. None of this is thunderstorms, by the way, but we'll continue to monitor things. We can zoom in on Oil City right there. So this is in Venango County that we're looking at for that. Overall, before we get to the stormy conditions that we are expecting, most of the area is going to start to see some sunny conditions actually sliding in, moving in from the west at this point. That'll help to bring those temperatures up into the mid-80s, and then we get that boundary sinking down in place over the late afternoon hours. That's where our stormy conditions are going to come from. So there it is right there, really starting to fire at around 3 or 4 o'clock, sinking down to our south. By 7 o'clock, it has it right on top of the Pittsburgh area, continuing to move down to the south with those strong storms that will be possible. Now, even after this moves through, we'll still have in the overnight hours another chance for some rain and storms. They'll be spotty, not expected to be as strong as what we'll see this afternoon, but still a couple of thunderstorms will be possible. And then as we're going into tomorrow, we'll have another round of storms that will be possible that we'll be monitoring and watching for. In fact, we already have a slight risk of severe weather for Wednesday as well. In fact, today looks to be the first of what looks to be 3 days in a row that we'll have a chance for severe weather. So we start today, Wednesday and Thursday. Each one of those days will put a 70% chance for rain showers and storms in your forecast. A lot of dry time, like what we're seeing today, but as those storms fire, we will have a chance for some strong storms. Friday will drop your rain chances down to 30%. Saturday and on Sunday, 40% chance for rain and storms will be around. There's another quick look outside. It's mostly cloudy now. It's 79 degrees. We'll likely be into the 80s by next hour. Then we're expecting highs right at 84 degrees. There's a look at those temperatures really quickly. Your high 84, winds out of the west at 7 to 17. We could see non-thunderstorm wind gusts of upwards of 30 miles an hour today. So still a gusty day overall. And there's how I think your afternoon is going to break down. We'll put the 2 o'clock temperature at 83 and 3 o'clock right there at 84 degrees. There's your 7-day outlook. 84 today, 80 your Wednesday high, and 78 on Thursday. And we maintain those temperatures in the 70s through Saturday, and a little cooler on Sunday with some early morning, I should say, thunderstorms giving way to what looks to be a cooler day in the afternoon.
Well, right now it's great if you have the KDK weather app on your phone, because if any severe weather is rolling through, it's going to come up on the phone.
It certainly is. Most of the time I have my phone on mute. I didn't this morning. It even talks to you. It's telling me heavy rain this morning while I was getting ready to work. And yeah, certainly some heavy rain and some lightning was coming through. So that's a good way of just keeping what I like to call weather aware. And we want everyone to be weather aware for the next few hours.
All right, Ron, thanks. Check back with you in a couple minutes.
Thanks.